Hey Chevy owners! If you've been driving along when suddenly your transmission starts slipping or the dreaded check engine light comes on, you might think the worst. Expensive repairs, endless waiting at the mechanics, and an empty wallet. But before you panic and run to the shop, what if I told you that you can reset your Chevy's transmission control module in minutes without any tools? Yes, you read that right, no tools required. In this video, we're going to dive into 5 quick, easy, and totally free methods to reset your Chevy's TCM and fix those frustrating transmission problems yourself. Whether you're a seasoned DIY wire or a complete beginner, you're going to feel like a transmission pro by the end of this. So grab your keys and let's jump in and fix that TCM like a boss. Understanding the TCM, your transmission's brain. Before we dive into the methods, let's take a quick look at what the TCM actually does. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, is like the brain of your transmission. It controls when your car shifts gears and how smoothly it happens. If your TCM is acting up, you'll notice delayed shifting, rough acceleration, or that pesky check engine light coming on. Lucky for you, many of these issues are due to old data or miscommunications within the TCM that can be cleared with a reset. In other words, resetting the TCM is like giving your car's transmission a fresh start without any complicated or expensive repairs. Now that we know what we're working with, let's get into the 5 tool-free methods to reset your Chevy's TCM. Method 1. The hard reset, the quickest and easiest fix. Let's kick things off with the hard reset, the simplest and fastest method. This one requires 0 tools, just your ignition key and your foot. Yes, you heard that right, just your foot. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Insert your ignition key and turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine, just get it into the on state. Step 2. Press the gas pedal all the way down and hold it there for 15 seconds. Yes, keep your foot on the pedal. This is important. Step 3. While holding the pedal, turn off the ignition. Keep your foot on the pedal for the next step though. Step 4. Release the gas pedal and wait for 5 minutes. Take a breath, relax, and let the system do its thing. Step 5. Start the car and take it for a test drive. Check to see if the transmission shifts more smoothly. If this works, you've just fixed the issue without spending a dime. If it didn't work, don't worry. We've got more methods to try, so let's keep going. Method 2. The fuse removal reset. Clear out the old data. Here's another method that's simple and requires no tools. If the hard reset didn't fix your issue, we're going to remove the TCM fuse. It's like clearing out your car's history. It's a fresh start for your transmission. Step 1. Turn off the car completely and remove the key. Safety first. Step 2. Locate your fuse box. It's usually under the dashboard or in the engine bay. If you're not sure where it is, grab your owner's manual. It's a lifesaver. Step 3. Find the TCM fuse. Your manual will have a handy diagram to guide you. If you can't fit it, look for fuses labeled TCM or transmission. Step 4. Carefully remove the fuse with your fingers or pliers. You can also do this with just your fingers if the fuse is easy to access. Step 5. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the system resets as the old data clears out. Step 6. After 5 to 10 minutes, reinsert the fuse and make sure it's secure. Step 7. Start the car and take it for a test drive. If your transmission is shifting more smoothly, congratulations! You've reset your TCM without any tools. If this didn't solve your issue, hang tight, we're not done yet. Method 3. The battery disconnect reset. A fresh start for your TCM. For our next method, we're going to do a battery disconnect reset. This is one of the most effective ways to clear all the old data from your TCM. It's like giving your Chevy a clean slate. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Turn off the car and all accessories, lights, radio, AC, etc. Step 2. Open the hood and locate the battery. No need for any special equipment here. Just find the battery and be ready to disconnect the cables. Step 3. Disconnect the negative cable first, followed by the positive cable. If you've never done this before, don't worry. Just make sure you don't touch the cables together while they're off. Step 4. Wait at least 30 minutes. This will give enough time for the system to completely reset. Use this time to grab a drink, relax, or check out that new DIY project you've been thinking about. Step 5. After 30 minutes, reconnect the battery positive cable first, then the negative cable. Step 6. Start the car and take it for a test drive. How's the transmission now? If it feels smoother, you've just reset the TCM and cleared out all that old data. Still having problems? Don't worry, there's more. Method 4. The TCM reset using your car's settings. Technology to the rescue. Here's an interesting method for newer Chevy models. You can use your car's settings to reset the TCM. Some newer models have an option to reset the transmission system via the onboard computer. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Turn on your ignition, but don't start the engine. This helps activate the car's onboard computer so you can access the necessary settings. Step 2. Navigate through your car's infotainment screen or settings menu. Look for the option that says Transmission Reset or something similar. This option may be under the Vehicle Settings or System Settings menu, depending on your model. Step 3. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset your transmission settings. This method is great because it doesn't require any tools, and it's all done from the comfort of your driver's seat. The system will guide you through the process step by step. Step 4. Start your engine and take it for a test drive. If your transmission feels smooth, you've just used technology to reset the TCM. This method is ideal for those who prefer a quick, no-hassle reset. This method may not be available on all Chevys, but it's worth checking your car's manual or settings if you have a newer model. If your Chevy doesn't support this feature, don't worry, there are plenty of other methods to try. Method 5. Recalibration. Through the car's computer, get your Chevy back to smooth shifting. If your Chevy is a newer model and has an adaptive transmission, you may be able to recalibrate the system without any tools. Many Chevys allow the transmission to recalibrate itself after a few miles of driving. This self-learning process can often solve issues like delayed shifts or rough acceleration. Step 1. Start your car and drive for about 20 to 30 minutes in a steady manner. Keep a consistent speed and let the car recalibrate itself. The car's onboard system will learn the new parameters and adjust accordingly. Step 2. Observe the transmission. After driving for a while, see if the shifts start to feel smoother. As the system adapts, you should notice smoother transitions and a more responsive drive. Step 3. If the transmission feels better, you've just reset the TCM without needing any tools. This is one of the easiest methods because it requires nothing more than time on the road and steady driving. And there you have it, 5 different methods to reset your Chevy's transmission control module, and all of them are tool-free. Whether you use the simple hard reset, the fuse removal reset, or recalibrated your car through its settings, you've just saved yourself from expensive mechanic bills and become a DIY transmission expert. Remember, you don't need fancy tools or a ton of experience to fix your car. With these methods, you have the power to get your Chevy running smoothly in no time. So next time your transmission starts acting up, just follow these steps and tackle the issue yourself. If this video helped you out, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which method worked for you? Do you have any other car repair tips to share? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.